Hi friends, welcome to Sada Learning Hub. You are with me, Shada Rao. Today's session, we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first question is, how many static initializers can you have? As many as you want. But the static initializers and the class variables initialized are executed in the textual order and may not refers to the class variables declared in a class whose declarations appears textually after the use. Even though these class variables are in the scope. See here, we can initialize static initializers as many as you want. But the static initializers and the class variables initialized are executed in the textual order and may not refer to the class level variables. The next question is, what happens to the static variables that is defined within the method of a class? Cannot do it. We will get the compile time error. It's not possible to declare the static variables inside the method. The static variables are the class level variables. The next question is, how many static initializers can you have? As many as you want. The next question is empty .java file name a valid source file name? Is empty.java file is a valid source file name? Yes. Save your Java file by .java only. Compile it by javac. .java and run by Java your source class name. Let's say take example. Here I am creating a one class that is a class A. Now I am saving this source file by using sada learning hub.java. Whenever we are compiling this class by using source class file name javac sada learning hub.java. Whenever you are running this program by using a.java, that is the compilation of your and running of your Java program. It's possible to give any name in the Java file name, but whenever you are running, we need to must and should we need to give the class name. The next question is, what if I write a static public void instead of public static void? Program compiles and runs properly. We can shuffle it. It's not at all a problem. Next question is, what is the static variable and method and block? A static variable is used to refer the common properties of an all objects. That is not a unique for each object. For example, company name of an employee, college name of a student, etc. Static variables gets a memory only once in a class area at the time of class loading. See here, static variables are used to refer a common property of an all objects. That is, it is the unique for each object. It's not a unique for each object. Static variables gets a memory only once at a class area at the time of class loading. What about the static method? A static method belongs to the class rather than the object of that class. A static method can be invoked without the need for creating an instance of a class. Static methods can access a static data members and can change the values of it. A static methods belongs to the class rather than object of that class. A static methods can be invoked without the need of the creating an instance of a class. Static methods can access static data members and can change the value of that it. Why main method is static? Because object is not a required to call a static methods If it were non-static methods, JVM creates an object of create object first and then call main method that will lead to the problem for extra memory allocation. Why main method is a static? Because object is not required to call a static method. If it were no non-static methods, JVM create an object first, then call main method that will leads to the problem of extra memory utilization. Next, I'm going to discuss about what is a static block. It is used to initialize the static data members. It is executed before the main method at the time of class loading. The static block is used to initialize the static variables. It will be executed before the main method. Can we execute a program without main method? Yes, it's possible. One of the way is a static blocks. Why? Because static blocks is executed before calling the main method. That's why we can execute our program without static block also.
Thank you so much watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then you take care. Bye bye.